lock in his eye. Nuts and bolts in the late night sky. Tinker's paradise built in the shed. Grease Monkey keeps the gears in his head.
Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Come to another video on my 7.3 liter turbo diesel Power Stroke. So today, the weather is getting colder out, and diesels do not like to run in the cold, if it's cold at all. So to keep the thing warm, going to be installing some of these 100 watt oil pan heaters, or yeah, that good old patches with cords attached. So there are two of them in here. It's 4x5, 100 waters. So the two, so that's about 200 watts. I'm going to slap one on both sides of the oil pan. You only need one on the bottom, but I want to overdo it because why not? Because there are 18 liters of oil, and every 1 liter you got about 30 to 40 watts. So yeah. So yeah, gonna be installing those. So this is the tools we're gonna need: a grinder or a wire wheel or something to scrape the paint off, or the rust, get the crap off the oil pan, wherever we installing those. Then we want to clean it with just some brake clean, carburetor cleaner, parts cleaner, whatever. Then we're going to be installing one of these, like a 3M sticky patch on the back. You peel off the stick. We're going to do that, and then we're going to slap some RTV on top of that because you don't want it to come off ever. So guys, on my 96, this is my oil pan. And these are 4x5. They're pretty big patches. But on the very bottom, you can see it doesn't fit exact because it hangs over. There's like a lip here, and you need these things to be super flat. This one side on the passenger side is really flat, nice and big. So that works. That works in there. And on the driver's side, there's a bump out. As you can see, it's like bumpy on that side. So, but on the back of the oil pan, it's nice and flat. So we can attach it there. So I'm going to take the grinder wire wheel to take all this guck off right down to the bare metal. Okay guys, I removed the one cover over the flywheel so it'd make it easier to get to. And I took the sander, the floppy wheel and the grinder, cleaned it up on both sides, nice. And now they're going to take some of this brake clean and spray it off. Make sure you really get it in there. That'll be clean. So I'm gonna clean up a little more, and then so to get these pads to stick, right now the engine is warm because I had the truck running for a while, so it's warm. And then you got your handy dandy power cord. You want to plug one of these pads in for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's not getting so warm where you can't touch it. And you want to take that and then slap it on. Okay guys, I got both of them on. And I'm taking a round head hammer and going very gently. I got them on right now. Just go back and forth, get those air bubbles out. You can use a rolling pin if you have one, but yeah, this is working out pretty good. It's just to get the air bubbles out. You want to stick the best possible. Yeah, so let them sit on there when I'm having them on for a bit. Just make sure they stick. I'm gonna do this one now. And yeah, after they cool down a little bit, I'm gonna slap some silicone on the perimeter about about 1.5 inches. Nice thick, goopy. Okay guys, I kind of overdid it, but yeah, got the patches all covered with mostly silicone. Nice and big and cloppy, so it's gonna be thick when it dries. I got this wire on this side coming that way, and then they're gonna run. Both wires gonna run up and up through the front. So yeah, But yeah, that's mostly done. They're gonna let it sit and dry for about 2 days, and then it should be ready for wintertime. So yeah, short little video guys, but hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.